Okay, great. Now let's touch on bookings. So this video is just gonna be on bookings. So this is what you get for doctors, for beauticians, for really anyone who's using a calendar in their business can use this to take bookings on WhatsApp. Cool. Let's dive in. Edit profile. Another trick that you can use is your logo, right? So if you're running a promotion or you just want to give notice to your people, you can actually just upload that as a logo. So instead of your people seeing your logo, we'll see the promotion, right? So if you have multiple ones, they'll kind of randomly shuffle themselves. Now back to bookings. Okay, you click bookings, of course, and then this is your bookings, and then you add your services. Right, so you can add an image if you want to. I'm not going to do it with this one. I just want it to be general track. Right, let's go. So I'm going to be using a lot of things from here. Let me just copy and paste that. Okay, cool. So price, if you do take deposits for your services, you can put that here and say, okay, this is GP, I think it's around 850, and then you want to take 50% as deposit. So once a person books for that, it will tell them, please pay for your deposit, right? Simple as that. Okay, off this one, they work from up to 5, yeah, up to 5, 17. And then we work Monday to Friday, time interval per session. So this just means between 9 and 7. How do you want to split it? By hour, by 45 minutes. Let's do hours. And then maximum bookings per time. What this means is if it's a 1, only one person can book for 9. If it's 2, up to 2 people, and so on. So we're going to allow 10. So a nice way to think about this is if it's a GP, right, you can say, look, if it's a one-to-one session, like a private session, you want to do 1. If it's a boot camp, you want to allow up to 200 people to book for that one time slot. Okay, 10. Sub services, let's not do this here. I will explain them for the next one. And then if you have, let's say, the team members, right, you can say assign track A to this one, assign if it's different locations, or it can be locations, it can be departments, whatever it is, like whatever way you split them in your company, you can split them here and say, look, if someone's booking for this, send it to this person. If someone's booking for this, send it to this person, right? And then for doctors, if you want to allow Poppy to auto kind of send them, so once they book, it will send them a form, like a Poppy form. You can do that here. You can also do it after, so it's up to you if you want to do it auto here or after they consult with you. Remember to enable this. So this is saying enable this to be booked, and then this is saying okay, disable. Right. Okay, cool. And then let's now do aesthetic stuff. So that's why I'm using this. This is one of our clients. They have a lot of aesthetic stuff, so this is what they're doing. Okay, that's done. And then let's split this by 2 hours. And let's end this at 5. Does that make sense? Okay, it's fine. So the reason I'm doing this is to show you the sub-services, right? Because under this, you have multiple things, right? You have weight loss, you have these other things, right? You have, so you can add up to 10. Just, I know this says 20, so you can add up to 20, but how, format-wise, right? If you add 3, this would be 3 buttons. If you add up to 10, it will be a list. If you add above 10, it will just be a list like of 20 items. Or if you know what I'm talking about, while we do the demo. Okay, let's add 4. Okay, cool. Let's not do pop with this. And now this is, we're now doing men's haircuts. Now we want to add an image for this. Where's the head? Okay, I don't have an image for that, but yeah, you can, if you have an image, you can say, look, you can edit, that's fine. Okay, one-on-one haircut takes around an hour, I think. I would operate up until, I think the time is fine. 9 might be too early. No, that's fine. It's just time. Okay, add. Enable. Do you want to add another service? Oh yeah, and this might reduce speed from your end user because it's gonna load the image. But it's not by much. I mean, it's just like I think a second. Yeah, it's just minute. You don't really need to worry about it. Okay, cool. We're done. Publish. You see, it's that simple. Just add your services, allow the times, and then someone can book. So now let's do a booking. Right, you go to your WhatsApp. Please tell me this is on. Okay, cool. My WhatsApp is finally back, and let's finish this. Okay, so bookings. Remember, you can scan or click this to do the same thing. Okay, voila. So remember that trick. You can replace this with a promotion or notice that you have for your customers. So instead of just seeing your logo, they can see whatever it is that you're trying to share. Okay, aesthetic, GP, so it's the services that we have here. Let's start with GP. I think it was the first one that we did. It's straightforward. I'm expecting to see everything that I have here, right? So your dates, so the dates will auto refresh. So every week you'll get new dates. You don't need to worry about that. Okay, for Friday, and then you have your dates. So if, just a note, if you have 3 things, so if the list only comprise of 1, 2, 3, it'll be buttons, and then up to 10, it's a drop down list. So you have a list, and then you have a drop down list. So drop down list allows for items up to 10 or 12, whatever, I forgot, 10 or 12. Okay, cool. So the date, and then get that. You as the company receptionist to get this, so this goes to this number, right? It goes to this number. So whoever you assigned to this session, this booking session, will get this. Poppy auto, that's the Poppy. It'll like kind of auto sign this on behalf of the customer, patient, client. Okay, cool. I think we're happy from here, right? So that's a booking. See, it was straight up simple. You got a notification. You can actually view the notification, see who's, if you're not happy with just this view, you can go online and see how it looks like. I don't want to do that now. So from here we go to aesthetic. So aesthetic. So I just want to show you how the sub services will come in. Again, also with them, if you have 3, it will be, this is a button, so it will be 3, 1, 2, 3 of these. If it's up to 10 or 12, I'll just confirm that it's a drop down list. And if it's more than 10, 12, it's just a list, a normal list. Don't tell me we're not working anymore. Jeez. Let me run to my phone. Let me see if my phone will be fast. Oh, what's up? What's happening? Exit page. Exit. I was happy for a moment there. But yeah, I think you got a booking. Right. Okay, I'm going to continue on my phone. So same thing, you get your list. See, now instead of just a one-to-one, like this, like here, you have a list, right? So from once you select the list, it will just be date again. Okay, now let me go home. I don't want to book. It will do the same thing. So dates, times, and then book. Yeah. Okay, refresh. Let me do it on my phone. I want to show you the one with an image. No, exit. It seems to be working fine on my phone. Let me just exit, and then this is bad for this video. It keeps on crashing, but it's fine. Let's just quickly go home. Okay, you're not home, so let's do this one. Right, it has an image. We should have done with one with. Okay, that's fine. The payment is just straightforward. So after the payment, how the payment works is after the step where you get your booking confirmation, there will also come a link telling you to pay 123. Right. So it's working fine on my phone. How can I mirror my phone here? And I can use Dex for Samsung. What's up? Okay, cool. So this one has an image. This is the image. So you can do that. And then you book as usual. Right. So I forgot to actually add something here. Let's add more options. Let's add a pricing. Right. So let's quit this session. I just want to show you. It's easy to add extra stuff. So pricing. This is pricing list. You can make it public, meaning it's going to be available to everyone. You can make it private, meaning it's going to be available to those who subscribe. So this thing is killing me. So those who do subscribe will be able to see this. So let's add the pricing list. I'm just going to refresh. In the meantime, oh, I think this one's fine. It's just pricing. Okay, it's loaded, still coming. It's gonna be a notification telling me that it's done. What's up? Okay, there you have it. You can also download it. Just see it, even here. So publish. Okay, cool. WhatsApp can load now. This is okay, I guess. On your calendar, you can. So once you enable, you'll see as you add more things to your profile, you get to see more buttons here. Like calendar only allow. It's only activated once you enable bookings. This allows you to move people, move sessions, so and forth. Yeah, okay. Now let's reactivate that profile. So now we should have a pricing list. The pricing list. Let me use my phone. So this is how you can share your pricing list easy with your customers. Right. You can add other things like how-to videos. I think I have an how-to video here. Let me quickly add that. Options. How-to video. So if you have like a how-to video, video, the how-to video, makeup stuff, how-to video, makeup, how-to video. Did I make it private? Okay, yeah, so you will need to subscribe to see that. Okay, let me add a how-to video. I don't know why I made it private. Let me subscribe quickly on my phone. I'm not subscribed. Downloading. So yeah, this side I have subscribed. It's just still loading. I don't know what's happening today. Okay, save. Oh, publish. So remember to always publish after you add something, um, something new. I can't say it's my Wi-Fi. I can't say it's this recording thing. It's just acting up today. So I'm making a video on how to look at WhatsApp's homepage. Ooh. Yeah, but that's how you add new stuff. Log, you can actually see what everyone has been doing. We'll touch this on a separate video. But yeah, you can see your users path and stuff. So I just want to show you something. See this here, the person is not subscribed. They subscribe and they can see your content. Where is it? Yeah, they can see your stuff now. Right. So it's that simple. Even videos, you can do that. It will be the same as this. So you can upload videos, audio, pictures, and PDF. Excel.